Got room for one more if you still want to go to Aspen.
Where did you find that?
What's going on, YouTube? Dorito here.
And the Lucha Cabre, and we are giddy with excitement because it's a special day here at the Two Idiots Garage. What we've got is not only our special guest, Jorge Voodoo from the Voodoo Locals, but we also have my personal man crush, Efrem from the Voodoo Locals. People, let's give them a round of applause. Today is a very special day because we are building a scooter for Efrem. Isn't that right, George?
Yep, today we have the Tao Motors 150cc Phoenix scooter.
Oh, and it's beautiful, isn't it?
Yep.
Lovely.
Yep. And we're going to go ahead and get it off the crate right now and go ahead and go through the few steps of putting it together.
Very few steps.
George and Luch, as well as Efrem, we're going to be doing most of the assembly here because tight garage, small area, fat kid.
That kid, small garage.
Anyways, let's get on with it.
Shall we?
All right, guys, we're back. And as you see, we got it off the frame. We had to put the front tire on. And Luch will tell you what else we got to do.
Well, right now we're going to attack this from all sides because we got a bunch of dudes here and we're going to get this scooter going. So while me and my personal man crush Efrem here are going to put the front together, the handlebars and stuff, these two guys are going to attack the back. And then we're going to get it all together. So let's get to it, shall we?
All right.
Right. So you're going to bring this up here, Efrem. Right? And we're going to slide this all the way down here.
All right.
Onto there. Just like so.
All right.
Take you one of the bolts.
And line up the hole. Wow, just like that. Perfect.
All right.
Okay, you need to...
All right. Now, people, this has a spacer.
Hold on.
It's going to need to go on this side. Come around here. Show them the spacer. This spacer goes on this side.
Wait down.
I can work along with
Come back
this.
Up, come back up.
Oh, this is
Come back
beautiful.
up.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Come back up all the way. Right there. Now come down slowly.
All right.
Slowly.
Now we can
There you go. Stop.
tighten that up. So,
Don't forget your lock washer.
Loctite.
And some Loctite. Come on down a little bit. There we go.
And there.
I want to put some more Loctite on that.
Now we're just applying pressure to the rear end to bring the shaft down just to line up the bolts to get these things attached.
Now, these guys are going to hook up the headlights over here
You can go ahead and help them out. I'm tightening down the shocks.
and then put together the front fairing. This is nice. I love all these hands everywhere. These hands are wonderful.
My job is done here.
Might not matter.
Wonderful.
They might just turn them on.
Yeah.
Now, people,
There you go.
please don't forget, as Efrem so wisely stated, your free Spaceballs helmet with every purchase of the Tao Phoenix scooter. Right? Huh? May the Schwartz be with you.
Dark element.
Man, I think I had it. That's why I couldn't see you was on that. Oh yeah, we got it. Look at those zip tie on here. Hold on, stuff all together now. And make sure we got 15 more pounds of boost, 37 more time. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
All right. Rock on.
Nice house.
Okay, with the best helmet, the dark helmet.
That's one of the
The
dark.
dark helmet. Time for round 2. All right, people. We're back. Obviously, you can see us now. George here is going to hold this the light panel up here, and there's 6 screws that we tightened up. 2 under the handlebars, 1 under the handlebars, and 2 on the sides. Right here. Make sure those are good and snug.
There's also clips that you want to pay attention to. That there's one up here in front. These 2 slots that you'll see the clips fit into, and also right here on each side, about here on each point. And
Make sure they slide in.
make sure they slide in, or you're not going to line up here with your screws. And also, when you attach the headlights, you're going to want to snug up, as you saw in the video, with some zip ties, and make sure that the cables and the wiring for the headlights are nice and snug and out of the way of your steering.
That's right. You don't want nothing getting caught up. So now that we've got that snugged up, we can go on to the rearview mirrors while they're going doing their thing back here.
Yep.
What are you doing?
We're hooking up the back end.
Ah,
You know, I love the back end.
oh yeah.
You know,
It's
Okay,
the
you're gonna need this one.
2 10mm bolts,
Oh no, this needs to go on.
2 8mm bolts.
2 10s, 2 8s.
Yes, yours is on.
Well, use your impact, loosen it up a little bit. That should be enough.
Getting it
So
on
the
there nice and
mirrors,
tight.
you want to make sure you got this
There we
on
go.
here in the
Tap that
bottom,
over.
and then that fitting right there is going to fit right into the slots right here for your bolts on the top of the steering column.
Just like so.
The handlebars.
You are going to need a Phillips head, which we probably do not have readily available at our disposal.
Allen head.
Yes. An Allen head, not a Phillips head. Allen head.
Okay, 2 10mm bolts, 2 8mm bolts. There's your oh my god bar for the scooter.
Oh my gosh,
Oh
bar.
God. Oh God. Oh God.
Yeah, that's here in California.
Ah,
Oh my god. Top.
Oh God.
All right, then.
So you want to snug those up. Once those are snug up, then also too on the
pop the
back
trunk
here.
on.
Well, you want to put the trunk
I
on
want
right
to
now?
pop the trunk, baby.
We're gonna put the trunk on right now. That's gonna take.
Click. Okay, as the torque meter went off, that's how tight you tighten those.
Okay.
And that's how you
Pull
install
this
the
up real
mirrors.
quick. So with this, what you want to do is you want to remove the Phillips screws.
Ah.
Okay, it's got enough power. Barely. But it does.
Should I pop it up?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you want to?
I should, right?
What do you mean?
No, I should in general. It's like pretty useful.
Oh yeah, it's up to you. If you want it on there, we
Oh, absolutely. You can fit all sorts of neat crap in there.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I'll need
Your helmet in there. if you want.
Yeah.
And that is how you snug the mirrors up that way.
Stay on there.
Now, that one is going to
Double
probably
check.
need.
All right. So on the box, what we had to do is we had to pull the cover off. Efrem's tightening up the screws on the box. There's 4 of them. They mount all in the same place. Easy peasy.
As hard as it looks.
Luch and George are getting the mirrors on. Gonna have to put on the front fender, connect the batteries, or the battery, and it's ready to go. There's really not much to this.
That's all right.
You
We're
got
all
the
included
tires,
here.
You got the shocks, you got the tires, you got the battery, you got the handlebars.
Yes, sir.
Because you can't ride your scooter without any what?
Can't do without the handlebars.
Handlebars.
No handlebars. All right.
No handlebars. I can leave the world in all the cars. Oh, I got all ahead of myself here. All right, let's get the bolts here for the front fender, and we'll bolt on the front fender too. Kind of difficult, isn't it? That's all I could get mine in there too. Oh, I just did.
All right.
Okay, so now the top.
Top to the box.
Easy peasy.
We need a screw for this guy.
Which was probably that screw that was there. Which is probably supposed to go right there. There you go. We got 2 pins as well.
I'll just start that one.
Pick up that side a little bit.
Started right there.
Yeah, actually, let's flip it back down. Like we're closing it. Okay. Set it all in place.
Oops, sorry.
Okay. Excuse me, sir. You got 2 little pins. You're going to want to put them on the hinge assembly there. All right, people, we're back. Wasn't too much to do in this, as you guys can see. Now, Luch connected the battery. What do you think on the building of this, Luch?
If you blink, you might have missed something.
Yep. What do you think, George?
Oh, it was pretty quick and easy.
Efrem?
It was super easy. You guys did most of the work.
He was our fluff today.
It was
Our
so
honorary
easy.
fluff
Exactly.
right here.
Yeah,
And boy, was he
exactly.
fluffy.
So what
Yeah.
we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and let Efrem start his nice new shiny scooter
Oh, this is
and see
great.
if it starts, okay?
All
The
right,
key
now
is on.
Pull your brake.
Hey, look at- from where I'm standing, it's a hoot.
Yep.
Woo! Yeah!
Yeah, dude!
First, baby.
Yeah!
So, woo.
All right.
All right.
So it starts right up. What do you think, George?
Yeah, man, started right up, no problems, as you can see, and it was a nice and easy assembly and quick.
We have to do a test ride. And we're going to do a test ride.
Let's go.
2 luchas, 1 scooter. All right? So let's get on with it.
Shall we? Oh, I'm excited about this one. This is great. This is my high point of the day, people. Oh, this is going to be so
I
fun.
love it.
All right, so here we go on a test ride with Efrem.
Time for the test drive. Let's go.
Hey, wait a minute.
Hey,
You forgot about me.
Get on it.
You forgot about me.
Forget about it. Let's go. Let's go. Hey.
Here we go. Sorry, baby, I'm not coming home tonight.
It works like a charm.
All right, guys, we're back. And there you go. There you have it. That's the Tao Motor Phoenix 150cc scooter. Efrem took a ride for it with Luch there. What do you think of it, George?
I thought it was a really good, fun, smooth ride. The acceleration was all there. The brakes worked good. Everything was great.
Yep. What do you think of it, Efrem?
I had a great time. I think this thing flies. It works great. It was easy to get together. It's a ton of fun already.
2 luchas on it.
And you can fit 2 luchas on it.
Yeah. What do you think of it, Luch?
This was a dream come true. I tell you what, going off into the sunset with my man crush Efrem on this beautiful Tao Motors Phoenix 150 scooter. It's amazing.
Yeah, we all rode it. It was really fun to ride. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching Dorito and Lucha Cabre. And George Voodoo and Efrem Shulz from the Voodoo Glow Skulls, I want to thank them for coming in. And also, too, I want to announce we are changing the name. There is no longer just Dorito and Lucha Cabre. We got George Voodoo, we got Efrem Shulz, we got Bill, the cart mechanic, coming in. So we figured we're just going to change the name, and it's going to be Luch Mob. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come on back to the Luch Mob. Peace.
You rock.